An absorb glass mat battery, or AGM battery, offers rugged durability, vibration resistance, and it's also spill proof, and it probably won't leak. Due to the electrolytes being held in a mat rather than sloshing around in a liquid form, AGM batteries also excel when it comes to the capacity for repeatedly being charged and discharged. During the engine off portion of the stop-start cycle and during the alternator decoupling, the battery is on its own to supply power to the various electronics on the vehicle. So the ability to discharge deeply without damage to the plates is a definite advantage. AGM batteries have the capacity to absorb this energy quickly and to handle the excess energy without overcharging and overheating. For stop-start applications, the battery is called upon to restart the vehicle repeatedly in stop-and-go traffic. The AGM design also offers increased cold cranking power compared to a standard wet cell battery. Many applications call for a replacement AGM battery. The vehicle's charging system is engineered to properly charge the AGM battery that might have a lower internal resistance. But many AGM batteries use the same BCI group number and sizes as the conventional flooded battery. This causes a catalog conundrum. In some cases, well, a parts store or even a retail store will use the correct BCI group size, but the wrong battery technology that lacks the performance of an AGM battery. This can cause a premature failure of the battery. Selling or upselling an AGM battery is very similar to selling a customer on OE recommended precious metal spark plugs or even synthetic oils. Overcoming the initial sticker shock can be even more difficult due to the AGM's higher price point. But the approach is the same. By explaining that the longer service life, better performance, and increased durability, and even the reliability make the AGM a good call and a value for your customer. You can help the customer understand the benefits of AGM technology. Explaining the technical features to a customer can be almost impossible, and they probably won't grasp the different plates inside, the lead, and the electrolytes. But if they can understand that their vehicle was engineered for an AGM battery and not a wet cell battery, well, they're going to make the right selection for their vehicle. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.